You're really concerned about your sniff?
Yes!
Then just, okay, if you want to send the news, just whip out your dick.
I'm not sending.
No balls.
Oh, Jared.
No balls.
Jared,
No balls, you won't show them off.
Oh.
Oh, there's the one.
That's Jackson. That's Jackson.
No, it was actually you. I remember you were Justin Bieber.
Oh.
That was like the first time I
I'm
straight
Justin
just died from
Bieber.
laughing.
I'm Justin Bieber. Ow! And now every time we all get laughing, because Jared and I go, you see that? There it is.
Fake.
Oh, baby girl.
Okay, who's making that sound?
Mike and I.
Tequila Tequila is my mom.
Dude, Teal Tequila, oh my goodness.
Is that?
Oh my god.
The TV star turned YouTuber, turned porn star, turned YouTuber.
No, Whitney, Wisconsin.
Dude!
Oh, I know Whitney.
I pay
Wisconsin
homage
is.
to Whitney, Wisconsin.
Dude, have you seen, like...
Dude, Jackson looked it up at my house.
Oh!
Nasty, bro.
Dude, we just wanted to see what it was like.
17.
Oh,
Dude,
gosh, it was so bad.
It was so bad.
No. Japanese.
Including anything involving walls. Have you seen the video? Have you, wait, did you see the girl with part of your face?
What?
He's talking about your...
Let's keep this
Leafy's
PG.
video about like.
Yeah. Okay. Have you seen the where it he flashed to like the guy kissing a car?
Yes.
That no one will ever understand me. He's just making out with the front bumper of the car.
Good job.
Because I'm taking Connor home. It's funny. I'll take it away. Where are your trout things down?
Hey. Hey.